Okay, very good morning traders. So today we have gone on a buying position on HCL Tech. It's performing pretty good. I bought it at 858.50. Stop loss is at 854.65. Target is at 862.35. I see that we are already at 860. So we'll do one thing. We'll go and trail the stop loss and we'll reduce our risk to reward. So currently I'm keeping it at 855.95. Okay. And so currently our risk to reward becomes 1:1.51, which is very good, trader. So even if now the stock comes down and it hits the stop loss, no problem with that. Okay, so now we have reduced down on our SLA, stop loss as well. Okay, so now let's just wait. I'm pretty hopeful that it should give us our target, but let's wait. So yeah, I'll get back to you, traders, once okay, so you can see after it hits 861, it retraced down pretty quickly, but yeah, it's came back and it's gone above the 861 mark. So finally we can go ahead and reduce the stop loss further, reducing our risk to reward, traders. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the next candle. Depending upon how the next candle is, we will go ahead and reduce down on our stop loss as well. Okay, so just one moment, traders. If we get a profit on this one, I'll explain you on deeply like how this trade was taken and what is the logic behind it. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. The video is going to be a bit longer, but I'll try to explain everything and explain you the logic behind what the reason behind why we have taken this trade. Okay, so now we have reduced down our stop loss. Okay, so current risk reward is 1:2.57, which is absolutely good, traders. Okay, so this means that even if it comes down and then takes our stop loss, it will be hardly a stop loss of 100-150 rupees that will go. Okay, so we'll have to wait. It's hardly just 0.8 points that is remaining for the target to be achieved. Okay, it's currently at 861.40 and the target that we are expecting to get is 862.35. okay, so yep, here we are, traders. Hardly point. Okay, yep, finally we have got our target hit and there we have earned a profit of 450 rupees. Today the risk that I have taken was less, so that's the reason the quantity that was brought that was less, traders. The reason is that yesterday when we traded, we had bought extra quantity. We had taken a risk of 650, so that's the reason I had to ensure that 100 rupees is adjusted over here. Currently we are taking a risk of 550 rupees. So let's quickly look at the reasons, traders. Okay, make sure that you watch this completely and try to understand the logic. So we are quickly going on a 1 hour candle. Okay, now if you see on 1 hour candle, traders, see this particular candle which I have showing. Okay, now we have bought at 858.50. okay, so if you see this previous candle, which was the high that was made, after which the market started falling, I was waiting for the high of this candle to be breaked out. Okay, so the high of this candle is coming to 857.40. okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll just make a note over here. Okay, 857.40. okay, so this is the high that I was expecting. Like if any candle that breaks the high, this high, so this was the previous high which the market made for HCL Tech, and after that it continuously started falling. Okay, then it formed a double bottom at 851 levels. Okay, and then it came back over there. Okay, and we bought at 858.50. that means once the high of this previous candle was broke, we bought it at this particular candle. So this is on hourly basis. Okay, we do not work on hourly basis, but we get a viewpoint on hourly basis. Okay, so first, when it came back, that means it's a purely bullish trend. There is no reason this is going to go down. Okay, this is purely bullish trend. Okay, I'll show a FIBO as well, so that also confirms the trend of the stock. Okay, so if you see, if I do a FIBO from swing high to low, see it's already broken the 78 FIBO level. Okay, see this 78% FIBO level is already broken. Okay, and we traded above the high of the previous candle. Okay, now I'll show it to you in 2 minutes, so that will just become a bit more easy. Though this is the chart that we work on, traders. Okay, see, this is where I entered after the high was broken, 858.750. Sorry, so this is where we entered. Okay, I was expecting a movement of 0.5%. Okay, so I wasn't really expecting much of movement. So 0.5% means I was expecting a movement of somewhere around 3.5 to 4 points. So based on that, I kept my stop loss, which was below the swing low. Okay, and the target, so I think 1 second, so target was 862.335. okay, and the stop loss is 854.65. okay, so this is how it was. Okay, there was a bit of ride. It went up, then it came down, and then yes, it gave a nice stretch and it hit our target, traders. Okay, so so let me explain the logic, traders. Like, what is the logic behind me buying above the high? I don't really wait for retracements. Let me make it very clear. Okay, see, now for example, a stock is moving like this. It reaches a certain high. Okay, so let's say this is the high, this is one point where it reached, and it falls down. Okay, it falls down like this. Okay, and now it is coming back in the same high position. Okay, the same point wherein it had stopped. Okay, now if it breaks this high, traders, okay, if it breaks this high, there is a very high possibility, no guarantee, let me tell you, it's no guarantee, but there is a very high possibility that the stock will move another 0.5 to 1%. Okay, but it also depends on how the stock was performing on that day. We have to take a FIBO confirmation. We have to see how much percentage move is already done before the high got broke. So if there is a move of already 4 to 5% that is done, then it becomes a bit risky to enter the stock. But over here, HCL Tech had completed only 1.6%. So I understood that there is another minimum 1% move that I could expect over here. Okay, so this is one of those logic which we use. Okay, very simple logic, traders, but it's just that you need to have a very strong conviction when you trade in a really high position. Okay, because usually people have a belief that if the market is going up, it might fall down suddenly. It doesn't really work that way, traders. Always remember, if the market is going up, it will just go more up till the time it reaches a certain point of resistance. Okay, now the next move that we can expect in HCL Tech is at this point, 872. So once it breaks 872.85, you can expect a minimum of 3 to 3% move very easily, because it's going to be the previous high that it's going to break now. Okay, so this is one logic. So basically, if the stock is recovering and coming over there, definitely then there are buyers who are going to definitely move it to further 2 to 3%, traders. That's the very simple logic over here. It's just that when you do a trade like this, it's just that you need to have a conviction that yes, the entry point is going to be perfect, and you have to trade with conviction and make sure that the stop loss and target are placed in the right manner. So this is my position sizing calculator, traders, which is pretty easy. I put my risk over here, the quantity gets automatically calculated. All I need to do is put my buy and stop loss levels. And this is the Telegram channel, traders. Okay, make sure you subscribe so that we can help you with more details in regards with the equity stock market. Okay, so have a great day, traders. Bye bye.